Hello and welcome to this class. For this class, we're looking at how to draw the development of the figure you are seeing on the right hand side of the screen. So you are asked to draw the view and complete it with development. So the one says draw the view and complete it with the development. So let's draw the view first. By the view, mean let's draw out the shape we are seeing. So I have to draw out the shape first. So for this first, I'm seeing a square. Alright. So I'm seeing a square. So for this first, I'll come down here and then I'll start to draw. So for this first, I'll take this guy this way. Right? And then I'll take my ruler, take it this way. So the square that is there is 30 diameter. So I'll measure 30. I'll measure out 30. Alright. Or for better understanding, okay, let's draw the square 30. Take my metal rule and measure out 30. From here to here is 30, 30, right? So it is square, so measure out 30 here too, here to here as 30. So of course, this man should be in a thick line. So first things first, so I'll take in this part. Alright, I'll come here. I'll take in this part. Right, I'll come here, a faint line. Then I'll take this. I'll take in this part. And then I'll come here. I will take in this part. So I have this, right? My first task done. If you observe that, I will leave a space up here. So that is, I'll take this point, take it up this way. So I'll leave a space, I'll leave a line. So I'll just come up here and draw a thick line here. So the thick line is for the base of that truncated cylinder. The height is 40. So measure 40. Measure 40. From here to here is 40. Then I think it's taken. It is taken, not I think. It is taken. So I'm taking my, as you can see, it is taken this way. Next task, measure 30 upward, 30. This is 30 and it's also ticking the 30. Sorry. Done. Next task is that I will join this point and this 40 with my angle 30 degrees. So here to here should be 30. Right? So if I join, so the task is now that I will join this point and this point together. This one and this one this way together. So I have this, right? So I have what you are seeing at the right side of the screen. So we have this, please. I want to draw the development of this. What do you do? First, my first task here is to indicate values. So I'll come here, call here 1, call here 2, call here 3, call here 4. Right? So this.
Welcome guys, I just launched a course. The course will teach you how to start your own YouTube channel. If you're a teacher also trying to do what I'm doing, you can get this course. The course costs about just 10,000 naira. You can get a course and you start uploading your videos on YouTube. Or if you're a beginner trying to explore YouTube and you're having interest in learning how this YouTube of a thing works, you can do well to get this course. As you can see the banner of this course in the video, in the screen of the video, right? So do well to go and get the YouTube course so you can earn, learn, and also grow your platform. See you guys. If this interests you, do well to message me up or click on the link you see in the video description that says YouTube course. See you guys in next page.
This line here is line 2 comma 3 because 2 and 3 are in this line. This line is line 1 comma 4. When you are done with this, what's your next task? My next task is to obviously take my ruler this way and I will draw a line, a faint line that will leave a space from this. Then I will take this, take it downward this way, right? Since my square has 1 2 3 4, I'll get a 4 distance here. Perhaps I can say, perhaps I can use here to here. I can use here to here for the gauging. That is 30. I'll take it 4 times. 1 1 2 3 4. All right, then after that I'm going to connect the highest point together, this one here, with a faint line down here, such that I'm going to use this faint line first. Everything should be in faint line. Join this to this, join this to this, join this to this. We are trying to draw development of this figure, right? So when you cut it out, what will you see? So next task now is that if I observe very well, I'll call here point 0, call here 1 2 3 4. First things first, start indicating point. So of course I'll take this one here, I'll take it down with a faint line. If you observe, this point 1, this point is point 1, right? Okay, this says point 1 here, point 1 is here. See this line here is line 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is here, right? Point 1 and 4, right? So next task, 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 is here. So what do you think I'll have to do? I'll take my meter rule, I'll connect point. This is my point 0. So take it this way, right? Then fourth here, this place, taking it up this way. Then connect this to this, as you can see. Connect this to this. Next up, connect this to this. And finally, guys, I just launched some courses on my website. These courses include physics tutorial for year 1 student, WAEC/JAMB student, WAEC/JAMB classes for JAMB student, and also I have the organic chemistry for beginners. So these courses, you can get these courses on my website, as you can see displayed at the right hand side of the screen. Connect this to this. Alright, this is the development of this truncated cylinder. So this is how you draw development of this truncated cylinder, as you can see in front of you. So this is called development of a truncated square prism, though. So it's a square prism. Yes, it's a square prism. So see you guys in the next class when we look at other developments. I just launched my website www.ghanabukari.com, as you can see in the screen. In this website, you can get close to 4 to 5 tutorial courses that are there. So we have different courses there. Also, the book I just launched also is in the website. You can visit our website and get the courses you want to watch. And also, the video you're watching recently, you can get more of these interesting videos in the website. So do well to visit the website and also register an account with my website. See you guys in the website, and make sure you buy a course from the website to support our journey of this academic platform. Thank you guys, and welcome to my channel.